Welcome back to AK Luxury Car Reviews. Today, we have something truly exciting for all the adventure lovers out there. This is the 2025 Ford Transit Camper Van 4X4, an ultimate blend of luxury, functionality, and off-road capability. If you're looking for a camper van that can take you anywhere with confidence, this one deserves your attention. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Ford Transit Camper Van 4X4 has a bold and rugged design that instantly gives off an adventurous vibe. The elevated stance, aggressive all-terrain tires, and blacked-out grille make it look ready to tackle any road. The high ground clearance ensures you don't have to worry about rough terrains, while the strong body structure gives it durability for long trips. Now, stepping inside, this van truly redefines comfort on the road. Ford has designed the interior with premium materials and a smart layout that makes the most of the available space. The driver and passenger seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, providing both comfort and support for long drives. The dashboard is modern, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. Moving towards the living area, the camper van offers a spacious and well-thought-out layout. It features a cozy seating arrangement that converts into a bed, giving you a comfortable sleeping space. The high-quality wooden finishes, soft LED lighting, and large panoramic windows create an open and inviting atmosphere. Whether you're camping in the mountains or by the beach, this van makes you feel at home wherever you go. One of the highlights of the 2025 Ford Transit Camper Van 4X4 is its compact yet functional kitchenette. Equipped with a sink, induction cooktop, mini refrigerator, and ample storage cabinets, it allows you to prepare meals on the go. The counter space is well utilized, and there's even a foldable dining table for added convenience. For those who prefer off-grid adventures, this camper van comes with a built-in solar panel system and a powerful lithium battery setup, ensuring you have a reliable power source no matter where you park. There's also a water storage system with a filtration unit, making it perfect for long-term travel. The bathroom setup in this camper van is impressive for its size. It includes a compact yet fully functional wet bath with a shower, toilet, and a small sink. The use of waterproof materials and smart storage solutions ensures a clean and practical experience even in a limited space. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Ford Transit Camper Van 4X4 is powered by a strong 3.5L EcoBoost V6 engine, delivering impressive power and efficiency. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures stability and traction on all kinds of surfaces, whether you're driving through muddy trails, snowy roads, or rocky paths. The suspension has been upgraded to handle rough terrains, providing a smooth and controlled ride. Safety is another strong point of this camper van. It comes with Ford's advanced driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for easier maneuvering. These features make long road trips and off-road adventures much safer and more enjoyable. When it comes to storage, this camper van doesn't disappoint. There's plenty of overhead and underbed storage, ensuring you have enough space to carry all your essentials. The rear doors open wide, allowing easy access to gear, camping equipment, and even bicycles. Overall, the 2025 Ford Transit Camper Van 4X4 is an excellent choice for travelers who want both comfort and adventure. It offers a premium and functional living space, powerful performance, and off-grid capabilities, making it a perfect companion for road trips, camping, and exploring the great outdoors. So, what do you think about this camper van? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AK Luxury Car Reviews for more in-depth car and camper van reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.